Today, we will embark on an extremely fascinating adventure in the world of lathes and CNC machines. Imagine these machines as talented artists, performing a spectacular performance with rough blocks of wood. They transform simple pieces of wood into sophisticated and sparkling works. Click the video below to feel each graceful and creative movement of the machines, like a wonderful dance in harmony with the wood grain. When receiving a large order for a huge number of chairs, the factory took advantage of modern CNC technology to create beautiful chairs. Each chair is carefully crafted from high-quality wood blocks, with every detail meticulously cut and processed thanks to the perfect combination of CNC machines and the skillful hands of carpenters. The final products are chairs with delicate lines and outstanding durability, making investors extremely satisfied and bringing in profits of up to $10,000. By using CNC machines, we can easily cut cabinet parts with high precision. The design has a built-in dust extraction system on the machine to help limit dust flying out during the processing. This not only keeps the working environment clean but also ensures the safety of those involved in the production. With the help of a lathe, a rough cherry branch has been transformed into a delicate bowl, becoming a beautiful and modern decoration. You will feel excited to put this bowl on the shelf, highlighting your living space with a stylish and sophisticated accent. Santuro TC1200 is a 2-axis wood lathe, a convenient CNC device in the wood industry, with the ability to turn and copy wood automatically. This machine helps to create high-quality wood products with precision and uniformity. Long wood applications up to 100 centimeters. This is a machine specially designed according to customer requirements, capable of processing logs from 3 centimeters to 8 centimeters in size. The wood CNC machine is a specialized equipment, specially designed for woodworking with the ability to control the number of axes on 5 axes. It brings high flexibility and precision in the manufacturing process, thanks to the integration of many working tools such as a milling head, a turning tool, a belt grinder and an electric spindle. Thanks to these diverse functions, the wood CNC machine can perform various tasks such as drilling, grooving, boring, engraving, and finishing the wood surface easily and efficiently. Which of the machines we've featured is the most impressive and unique to you? We'd love to hear what you think, so leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest videos. CNC robots are making a big splash in the model-making industry. Check out how a CNC robot creates a beautiful curved mold of a popular material in the industry. This model not only demonstrates the power of CNC robots, but also shows that technology can do amazing things. CNC routers are truly a powerful tool in the woodworking and manufacturing industry. Their automation and precision allow for the creation of many valuable wood products with intricate and beautiful details, from works of art to high-end furniture. CNC routers have spurred creativity and added value to the woodworking industry. Here you can see how a rough log of wild crabapple wood transforms into a beautifully shaped dried vase with each careful movement of the worker. The shape of the log changes, revealing the unique grain of the wood. As the shape gradually emerges, the rough surface is gradually replaced by a smooth and refined surface. The finished vase is a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship involved in wood carving. CNC machining tools are not just cutting and machining machines, but also works of art, a way to create sophisticated products with precise lines and characters. Using settings that have been pre-entered into the computer, the tool is capable of creating unique and beautiful final products, bringing great satisfaction to customers. This CNC wood carving machine delivers optimum performance and precision for delicate carving tasks. This advanced equipment is meticulously calibrated to ensure precise execution of wood turning, wood milling, and pillar carving tasks, achieving unmatched precision and excellence in every operation. Hard to believe, right? With the help of the Kuma robot, the wooden chair was polished to perfection in just over 2 minutes. Witnessing this process is truly impressive, as the chair's initially rough surface quickly becomes shiny and smooth under the robot's meticulous care. Kuma works with incredible precision and efficiency, making even the most demanding people nod in admiration. Believe it or not, a beautiful work of art was skillfully created on a turntable, where the craftsman's talented hands transformed raw wood into a colorful cup. Using handcrafting techniques, he subtly combined the wood grain with natural colors, making the cup shimmering and unique. Sometimes, creating a true masterpiece requires not only the skill of the craftsman but also a little inspiration from nature. Thank you for watching our video till the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to improve future videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get the latest news from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.